know what? Let's go first.
Okay.
Do you know what? This is your hand.
Oh. Hey, baby.
Baby.
Next I forgot. I asked you for 3,000 last week, but you have not given, or you forgot.
Me, Don Efisi. I will never forget such a thing.
Oh, that's why.
Wait. Take it back. Oh yeah, give it.
Oh. That's so. Oh, baby.
Baby, don't worry.
This can I have the money now?
I will give you everything.
Okay.
3,000.
Yes.
5,000.
Oh, sweetheart.
No, I will give you. Yes!
Okay. Baby.
I'm coming up.
Baby, what are you doing?
I'm trying to give you something.
You mean you want to give me money for your anus?
I want to withdraw something for you. This is called local ATM machine.
Baby, you are so disgusting. To hell with you.
That is my plan. I wish I can go to the market, bring the money from my local ATM machine. I will withdraw the money from my local ATM. So I will buy another cellophane. I will always spend my money on cellophane.
I forgot. What about the money I told you about?
The money or the Nimo?
The money.
Anything you want. How much do you say is the money again?
3,000.
Just 3,000.
Yeah.
Do you know what?
Yes.
I will make it 5,000.
Oh my child. That's why I love you.
They call me Lover Boy. My second name is Love.
Thank you.
Let me bring out something for you.
Alright.
I'm trying to bring out something. I want to bring out something. I brought it out from I should throw it away now. This one is
Thank you. Don't bother. Thank you.
no.